Welcome back to another Thankful Thursday on 11/11. Being that this is Nature Week, we naturally are going to take some time to be grateful for Mother Nature. Do you have favorite aspects of nature? I sure do. Trees, flowers, the ocean, the cosmos. Can't get enough of them. The beautiful sun-kissed desert? Not so much for me. What is it about your favorites that means so much to you? And how do they make you feel? Today we're not only going to think thankful thoughts or even say them aloud, we're going to do something with our gratitude. If you're a tree lover, go plant a tree or donate to an organization involved in reforestation. If you're an ocean lover, go help clean up a trash-littered beach. Let's make our gratitude count in ways that benefit our world going forward. Imagine if every person on the planet planted one sapling or picked up 10 pieces of trash. How would our world look? Enjoy showing Mother Nature how much you appreciate her. She loves us all so much. You only have to look at a sunset to feel her love. Cherish everyone. Tuta.